Xiaomi launches the Redmi Note 13 series. Redmi Note 13 series boasts FHD Plus AMOLED displays, 108 megapixels cameras, and rapid charging, setting new standards for mobile excellence. Xiaomi today announced the release of the Redmi Note 13 series, which features a number of fan-favorite variants: Redmi Note 13, Redmi Note 13 Pro and Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. Redmi Note 13 delivers a flagship viewing experience with its FHD Plus AMOLED display, featuring a 120Hz adaptive sync refresh rate for smooth and seamless scrolling. This amazing display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 for added durability and peace of mind. Moreover, it helps reduce visual fatigue during extended periods of use thanks to a variety of eye care features. Capture iconic moments with the Redmi Note 13, thanks to its amazing 108 megapixels triple camera system. The powerful 108 megapixels camera has a 3x sensor zoom, allowing you to zoom into a closer frame with incredible clarity. Moreover, paired with a large 5000 mAh Type battery and a 33W fast charging combination, the Redmi Note 13 effortlessly cruises through everyday use. Redmi Note 13 Pro delivers a perfect balance of power and efficiency, thanks to its MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra chipset. The Redmi Note 13 Pro features a vivid and immersive 120Hz AMOLED display framed by razor-thin bezels on all four sides, boasting a peak brightness of 1300 nits, and it features adaptive sync technology for butter-smooth visuals. Furthermore, the Redmi Note 13 Pro features an ultra-high-resolution 200 megapixels camera with optical image stabilization (OIS), allowing users to capture photos with unparalleled levels of detail and breathtaking clarity. Plus, with dedicated ultra-wide and macro cameras, you have more ways to see and capture the world. Equipped with a large 5000 mAh Type battery for long-lasting battery life and charges to 100% in just 45 minutes, thanks to 67W turbocharging. Featuring the first ever curved display on a Redmi Note, Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G presents an elevated design and premium look and feel. The Corning Gorilla Glass Victus display is tough and engineered for improved resistance against scratches and drops. Moreover, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G is the first Redmi Note with IP68 dust and water resistance, allowing for worry-free use in all sorts of conditions. Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G features a 1.5K Crystal Res AMOLED display, providing superior clarity compared to typical FHD+. It also boasts a peak brightness of 1800 nits for a cinematic viewing experience and a 120Hz adaptive sync refresh rate for smooth and seamless scrolling. When the 5000 mAh Type battery is running low, charge to 100% in just 19 minutes with 120W hypercharge. Market availability. Redmi Note 13 series is now available online at Mi Store, Xiaomi Sale, Daraz and Core Cart. Redmi Note 13 is available in two variants: 8 plus 128GB and 8 plus 256GB. Prices are $54,999 and $59,999 in their respective order. Redmi Note 13 Pro is available in two variants: 8 plus 256GB and 12 plus 512GB. Prices are $74,999 and $89,999 in their respective order. Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G is available in 12 plus 512GB. The price is $139,999.